Hello friends, welcome back to my channel A Bong's Lifestyle. Tomorrow is our Independence Day, so happy Independence Day to everyone in advance. So today we will make an amazing dish which will just look like our tricolour flag. The name of today's recipe is Tiranga Dhokla. So without further ado, let's get started. At first, in a bowl, we will take 200 grams of semolina and add 100 grams of yogurt in it and about 1/4 cup of water, and we will add a pinch of salt and mix well. Then we will divide the entire mixture into 3 portions. Again, in a bowl, we will take 1 portion of semolina mixture and add 4 tablespoons of spinach paste to bring the green color and mix very well. Then we will add half tablespoon of Eno or fruit salt and add a little bit of water to activate it, and our green dhokla batter is ready. Next, we will take a cake tin and oil it well and pour our green batter onto it and smoothen the surface. Next, we will take a kadhai and add sufficient amount of salt at the base and place a stand over it and place the cake tin and cover it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Again, in a bowl, we will repeat the same process. As this layer will be white, we will not add any coloring ingredient. We will just add Eno, half tablespoon and water and pour over the steamed green batter and again place it to steam for 6 to 8 minutes. Then again we will take the last portion of the batter, and to bring the orange color or saffron color, we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of carrot paste, half tablespoon of Eno and water and mix it well, and again pour over the steamed white layer and place it to steam for about 6 to 8 minutes or until it's ready. we will make the tarka. In a small karhai, we will add little bit of oil and heat up. Then we will add mustard seeds, about 1 tablespoon, and let it crackle. Then we will add curry leaves, a little bit of sugar, and pour over the steamed tiranga dhokla. Later, as the dhokla cools down a bit, cut it in desired shapes and enjoy. Friends, for more interesting recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon beside. If you like my content, please like the video and share it. Till then, be happy, stay healthy. Bye bye everyone. And again, happy Independence Day to all of you.